I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to put together the MaggieFrame Belt Hoop. First of all, I just want to talk about how good quality this feels. Like, it is very sturdy, like very pretty blue color. And it's got measurements all up and down on front and back. So in the box, you'll find the hoop, and then it comes with 3 different sets of brackets. 2 of them might be for a different machine, but definitely will come with the one for your machine. And then you'll have hardware. So to start, I'm just gonna dump out all of the screws. It's got screws and then a little screwdriver. So I guess I don't need that. I like to take a frame that I already have set up for my machine and set it in front of me, just so that way there's no question about how to align the brackets. So out of the 3 sets of brackets you'll get, you need to decide which one is the correct one for your machine. So in my case, I'm gonna use these ones. There's indentation on it, so you wanna make sure that the writing is facing upwards. So you just kind of line it up, just get it lined up to where you will use it. And then you just want to take one of the screws, get your hole lined up on your bracket along with the hoop. And I like to do the center hole first. Okay. So once you've got that first one in the center just kind of tight, then you can go ahead and do the top or the bottom. And you basically just want to get the screws started. You don't have to make sure they're super tight on this step. Right, once I've got that side just finger tight, I will move on to the second side. I'm doing the center hole for right now. Now the top, and then the bottom. And then you'll take the included screwdriver and just tighten those up. All right, and there you have it. Your hoop is all set up, ready to use. So these are the 3 holes here that you just line up with your brackets, and you want to make sure that this lettering is facing upwards. And then you've got all these numbers on here so that way you can make sure your item is nice and straight. I'm really excited to use this, and I'll show you how to use it in another video.